I'm Nisha from JV Fashions. Being founder and tutor here, I'm glad to explain about our online course. So we have different courses in online: blouse, salwar, kids wear, Aari Zardosi, sari tassels, Maxi course, western wear, skirt and pant specialized course, advanced pattern making. Altogether, it is considered to be advanced diploma in fashion designing. So when you're taking any 4 sewing course from this, it is considered to be diploma in fashion designing. So if you want, you can also take each course separately, like blouse separately you can learn, or salwar separately, or maxi course. Any course you can learn individually. Like we teach basic to advanced. Each course will have basic to advanced. So there will not be any difference in the syllabus when you are going to take it as a diploma or individual course. So there will be a slight fee difference when you take a course individually or in combo pack. So that will be explained when you text us in a WhatsApp. So we teach you in a professional pattern making style where you will be able to achieve a perfect garment with a perfect body fit. So how we teach? First, we'll teach you how to take the body measurement. When it comes to pattern making technique, the body measurement is very important. You have to take the accurate body measurement without any loose. Okay, first step is body measurement. So the second step is how to make the pattern for the body measurement. So after taking the body measurement, we are going to make the pattern for the body measurement with some ease. Ease is nothing but loose. So when we take the body measurement, we are taking the accurate exact body measurement, but we can't wear the tight fit for the whole day for our routine life. So we need some ease to the body to make it comfortable. So we add ease to the pattern making. Okay. So next, the third step is folding the fabric for the dress what you are going to make. We teach you the folding techniques of the fabric and how to lay and cut. So when you lay and cut, you have to add the seam allowance. So after laying and cutting, finally it's sewing. So when it comes to sewing, we teach you the boutique style finishing. What is the difference between normal finishing and boutique style finishing is, we teach you how to finish the garment with maximum concealed stitch. So what is concealed? Invisible stitch. You can see the garment outside, it looks very neat. As well as we make you to finish the garment inside also neat as outside. That's called boutique style finishing. And also we teach you to use different tools from fashion industry. So these are the steps we follow in our online course for each dress or topics which is provided in the syllabus. Like from the blouse, the first topic is choli blouse. So first we'll teach you how to take the body measurement, and we teach you how to make the pattern for the choli blouse, and we teach you how to fold the fabric for the choli blouse, and laying cutting of the pattern, finally stitching in a professional way. So this is how we teach for each and every dress. The benefit of our online courses, we teach you complete sewing for each and every dress. Because you can see our syllabus, any course you take, we teach you from the basic to advanced. So each dress is going to have some different style of finishing. So we show you the complete sewing for each and every garment. So if you are not having prior knowledge about sewing machine or sewing, if you have never stitched even a single line means also, it's absolutely fine, because we teach from the basics, okay? From the straight stitch, curve stitch, knot stitch, everything we teach you from the basics. Even the machine guidance, machine support, everything we provide you. So you can confidently join our online course. We are there to guide you from the basic to the professional technique. So you will be learning primarily through our HD videos. So how our course works? So after you enroll for our course, you will get the access to the videos, and I will provide you the personalized schedule, and we create a group for our online course students, and we regularly follow up and encourage them to complete the course. And there is no time limit for the course what we provide. You can take your own time to complete the course. We provide support until you get certified. Even after getting certified, if you have any doubts regarding the course what you have chosen, we will guide you. And the course what we are providing is completely a government registered course. So once you completed the course, you will get certified. So further details for fees details or syllabus, you can WhatsApp me. If you have any doubts regarding that, you can call back to discuss. Thank you. Happy sewing. Bye-bye.